Imagine this. You send your teacher this message. Hey bro, what's up? Can you send my marks? Or when you enter into a job interview and you say, yo, what's going on? Let's say the opposite of it. If best friend texts you, hey, wanna play football? And you reply, dear sir, I would be delighted to participate in the football match. That's even funnier. The problem isn't your English. The problem is using the wrong English in the wrong situation. So in this video, I'll teach you the differences between formal and informal English. And by the end of this video, you will know when to use formal and when to use informal English. So should we start? Let's get started. What is formal English? Well, formal English is the English which you use with your teachers, boss, strangers, in emails and professional writings. For example, can you help me? And the formal one, could you please help me? And the next example, could you please? Next example, I need your help. The formal one, I would really appreciate your assistance. Notice the difference. Formal English is professional, respectful, and long sentence. It is really simple to choose when to use formal and when to use informal English. Use formal English with your teachers, boss, strangers, in emails, in academic papers, and use informal English with your family and friends, people who you are comfortable with, and people of your age. Remember, English is not about memorizing grammar rules. It's about knowing when to use, how to use, and who you are talking to. And if this video really helped you, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Rajan. And a quick question, which is formal English? Can you send me my files, or could you please send me my files? Write the answer in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep speaking English confidently. See you in the next video. Bye bye.